What's going on YouTube? Today, I think it is finally time that we restore the Niagara 3A bar folder. I've already started tearing it apart a little bit. So I haven't posted anything in a while. Figured it'd be a pretty fun project to do. This video is just kind of introducing it. And we'll do another video on it. Maybe we'll do a series. A couple parts, 2-part or 3-part video series on restoring this thing. I've been wanting to do it for a while. I did put a handle on it and do some small things to it when I first got it. This is a 40s era bar folder. If you don't know what a bar folder is, it's a pretty cool little miniature brake. You're able to do a couple different things with it. It's pretty cool. In the first teardown video, I'll go over all that. Just wanted to introduce it and get it out there, and we'll be putting up some new content here in the next week. Just been really busy. Also got the Jeep project going, which is a little bit of a disaster at the moment. But we are going to be putting a motor in here soon. We just got done redoing the wiring harness, painting the engine bay, and then we got some really cool stuff we're going to do on this one. I'll start filming it, and we'll make it another video series. But we got the paint. We're going to strip all the paint down to bare metal. And then I think we're going to do some pretty fun patinas, maybe some copper sulfates on it. Definitely some birchwood black. We'll throw down some different really cool patinas. And it'll be the patina Jeep. I do have some 35-inch tires I've picked up for it. It's going to have a 6-inch lift. And we're just going to run the 4-liter. I did just pick up some new gaskets for it. So we're going to get all of this thing resealed back up and back where it needs to go. And we'll go through that. It's going to be pretty fun.